Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok profile page. This is useful in situations where you want your viewers to visit a link you have advertised on your TikTok videos. You can advise them that this link can be found on your TikTok bio and they can click from there. To add a link, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right, then tap on edit profile. Now on this screen where it says website, tap on it and enter in your URL or link. This URL or link can be anything, for example, link to your Facebook account, your company website, or your Instagram account. Now press save at the top right to save the input. Now go back to your profile and you'll see the new link appear just underneath your account description. Tap on it and it'll take you to your page. And that is how to add a clickable link to your TikTok profile page. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.